Trust. Everyone needs trust. Everyone wants to be trusted. It's around trust that everything revolves. You're in business, in your personal life, you're in sales, you're in marketing, you're in customer service. Everyone needs to be trusted. Everyone wants that trust. Do you know there's a trust equation? Trust equation is summation of reliability plus credibility plus intimacy divided by self-orientation. Now what does that mean? Reliability. A person considers you as a reliable person when he feels that you have knowledge and skills to handle a particular situation. And the trust that you induce in a person is directly proportional to how reliable you are as a person. Next, credibility. When you say something, do you stick to that? Can people trust you? Do you live up to your promises or not? It is again directly proportional to the trust that you induce in the other person. The third one is intimacy, rapport building. Over a period of time, when you have an intimacy with the person, people consider you to be trusted. They can trust you. And trust is inversely proportional to self-orientation. In talks or while talking to the people, what kind of feelings do you give it to the other person? That you're worried about your own goals? Are you a self-sufficient person? Do you only talk about your needs, your wants, your goals? And that is what is inversely proportional to the trust that you induce in the other person. So take care of this thing, that whenever you're talking to a person, give him the feeling that you're worried about common goals. You're worried about his goals or her goals also. And that way you'll have more trust and people will trust you more and you'll get more business. You'll be more successful in your relationships.